Alright, good morning guys. Welcome to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Got the trailer in the background there, fully built. We're going to be doing the mods on this trailer, so stay tuned and I'll walk you through each mod. Got about 12 different mods we'll be doing.
Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put some marker lights on this. There's actually a hole up front that I'm going to use. I'm going to enlarge that to 3/4 of an inch. And then I'm going to put one on the front of the fender, one on the back of the fender on both sides. If I have another one I might throw in back here, but probably just those 6 right now. So let's go ahead and get those marked out. Alright guys, so here we're going to have my son put on the rear brake light. He's going to show you how to do that.
Dad, I don't really get it. How do I screw it in? Because it's just going to be like that.
Take one bolt at a time.
Okay. Oh, take one bolt at a time.
And screw the one bolt in by finger with your
Oh,
finger.
I see, yeah. Okay.
There you go. Good. As far as you can get it with your fingers, and then put the second one in. Good. So there's two different sides. You got one for the curbside and one for the roadside. This one actually says curbside. You can see it right here. Okay, and then that's going to be facing up. So that means that's going to go towards.
Does it really say that?
It's going to go on the right-hand side or the passenger side of the vehicle. Okay, and then on this one, you have roadside. That's going to go on the driver's side of the vehicle. If you notice the yellow and brown for driver's side, and green and brown for the passenger side. So what we're going to put on, we're going to put on the driver's side right now, and this is just to show you how to put these on. Okay, come on over here.
Okay. So do I connect it to the bracket?
Yes. You're going to put these two through those holes.
And what they...
See how that says top? Put it right there.
That's still sticky.
It's going to be a little sticky. It's not sticky. It's just kind of hot. So
Oh, that's what it's...
put it in the holes there.
Got it.
Good. Now
There.
put one nut on one. Flip it over so yeah, there you go.
Might want to move the camera so they could actually see.
Okay. And put the other nut on the other one.
Can I show them an easy way how to screw it on?
Yeah, show 'em.
Okay, so I'm gonna screw one so I can show them. So here's a very easy way to screw a nut on. Oh, okay, here. nut should look like this. And you slide it on a little bit. And you just,
Oh, good. That's an easy way.
and make them as tight as you can. Then, there you
Alright.
go. You have your light.
Yep. Okay, so these wires here will actually, once you make a connection, are going to go through this hole on the frame. Okay? But I'm not wiring them up that way. I'm going to be wiring up different lights. So, what we're going to be wiring up are these lights. I'll show you on the other side how they're going to look. I still have to do some modifications to them, but they're going to be tucked up underneath, kind of out of the way, rather than hanging way down here and able to get hit on everything. They'll be tucked up underneath and safely out of the way. So let's go ahead and get some holes drilled in this guy and get it modified so it's not so dangerous, because I had to clip those two corners, this one and that one down there. Okay, so stay
Alright,
tuned.
so
Let's
we're
get
gonna
that
put some
going. LED lights on this guy. That's the bracket I was showing you before. Originally I had that light here just to show you how to put it on. This is the new design. It's going to tuck up underneath. Okay, so let me go ahead and mark some holes and start drilling. Installed. Got my marker light. Other marker light. Front one. And all three on this side as well. There's the other marker light. Fender light. Last brake light. Now I just need to wire them up. That's that. I'll show you them running once I get it hooked up to the car. Thanks guys for watching.